What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today, and I just want to thank you all for joining us. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a recap. It's from the 2020 spring turkey season, and we just got permission to go back on this place this year. And last year we got into a bunch of birds. We had birds gobbling all the way around us, had birds up above us, had just everywhere. And this is going to be the last weekend, this coming weekend of turkey season here in Oklahoma. And so hopefully we can get back on them like we did last year. But before we get into the video, I wanted to get into the verse of the day. And the verse of the day is Matthew 16:24. It says, "Then Jesus said to his disciples, 'If anyone desires to come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross and follow me.'" And what led me to this verse was a video I saw on Facebook last week. It was this young kid that he was talking about how he had a place out in this field that he would go to pray, and he had a little wooden cross that he had built and put up there. And he said each time that he would go out there, then the cattle would knock over his cross, and he'd put it up, they'd knock it down, he'd put it up, and they'd knock it down, and so on and so forth. I think he said it went on for a few months, and then he said one day he finally realized what God was trying to show him through it. And it's something that spoke to me at the time. He said, "It's not how many times the cross falls, but how many times will you pick it back up?" And what spoke to me was that through our walk with God, we're all going to slip and fall at some point in time. Sometimes maybe bigger than others, or so on and so forth. But like I said, being human, there ain't nobody that's perfect, and we're gonna mess up every once in a while. But I just wanted to encourage you to continue to pick up that cross and keep on following Jesus. Sometimes the enemy or the devil will come at you whenever you mess up like that and try to make you feel lower than dirt, or try to make you feel like you're not worthy, which is all a lie. Instead, and like I say, as long as you continue to pick up that cross and follow after Jesus, Jesus is going to stick right by your side. He said that he'll never leave you or forsake you, and that's the truth, and you can bet on it. But with all that being said, I hope this encourages one of y'all out there to continue to do that, continue to pick up your cross and follow after the Lord. And with all that being said, let's get on into the video. And it's a pretty exciting hunt. It was by far one of my favorite hunts and most memorable hunts I've had so far as turkey hunting goes. So I hope y'all enjoy. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. If y'all haven't already, please like, subscribe, and follow along. You can go over to on Facebook, and we got a Facebook page. You can just look up Hunting Light Productions and follow along on there, and I'll put up photos or updates or whatever is going on in the channel. And but all that being said, let's get into the video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Thank y'all.